And the reality is we are just getting started. So we want to again welcome everyone who may be seeing the Daisy presentation for the very first time. And we know that people are joining us from all over the world here today. And we're excited to share with you some of the announcements, updates, and the exact current opportunity that exists with the Daisy crowdfund project. Before we get started, it's important to read this disclaimer to make sure that everything that is said today is projected and said in a legal manner, and make sure that all of the parameters are understood. So by participating in this crowdfunding campaign, you are making a contribution towards the AI algorithm development and testing by Endotech through a decentralized autonomous organization and the use of smart contracts on the public blockchain. The smart contracts have been independently audited and verified. Crowdfunding campaign contributions shall receive staking rewards resulting from AI algorithms activity, as well as equity in Endotech. Each contributor shall be required to go through KYC and AML verification prior to receiving equity in Endotech. Endotech is preparing for public listing. Should Endotech not go ahead with the listing, the equity allocated for crowdfunding participants will be converted into dividends for each contributor. Past performance does not guarantee future results and is for informational purposes only. Historical performances shown are also the result of compounding profits. The rewards are contingent upon AI performance and results are not a guarantee. All performance shall be visible with full transparency to each crowdfunding contributor. This document is not an offer to sell or a solicitation of offers to purchase any securities. Copies of this document may not be sent to jurisdictions or distributed in or sent from jurisdictions in which this is barred or prohibited by law. The information contained herein shall not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy in any jurisdiction in which such offer or solicitation would be unlawful prior to registration, exemption from registration, or qualification under the securities laws of any jurisdiction. Not available in all countries. Anyone participating in or promoting this campaign are required to comply with all the regulations that apply depending on their jurisdiction. This publication may contain specific forward-looking statements, example statements including terms like believe, assume, expect, forecast, project, may, could, would, will, or similar expressions. Such forward-looking statements are subject to known and unknown risks, uncertainties, and other factors which may result in a substantial divergence between the actual results, financial situation, development, or performance, and those explicitly or implicitly presumed in these statements. Against the background of these uncertainties, readers should not rely on forward-looking statements. No responsibility is assumed to update forward-looking statements or to adapt them to future events or developments. So guys, with that said, let's dive in and talk about the incredible Daisy project. What is the Daisy project? Well, first of all, we got to talk about the power of what equity crowdfunding is, because Daisy is an equity crowdfunding platform. Equity crowdfunding is the fastest growing segment inside of the crowdfunding world. And of course, many of us, if not all of us, are familiar with and have seen the power of crowdsourcing or crowdfunding over the last decade. And right now, the big movement inside of crowdfunding is, in fact, equity crowdfunding. Equity crowdfunding allows people to contribute funds to the development of new projects. And in exchange for that contribution, you're able to share in and participate in the success, the financial success of those projects. Prior to Daisy, the largest equity crowdfunding project was a company called BrewDog. They had over 84 million in contributions from 117, almost 118,000 individual contributors. And those contributors receive stock equity, and they also receive discounts on the company's products for life. Daisy, in just 6 months, has done over 240 million USDT from now 152,000 contributors. And again, in just 6 months, making Daisy the largest equity crowdfunding project in the world today. And guys, we're really, really proud of what we've achieved so far. But what we're here to talk about today is not what we've done, just what we've done until now, but where we are today and where we are going from here, because the opportunity with Daisy literally has just begun. And there has never, ever been a better time for anyone around the world to participate in the Daisy model. And we're really excited about the next 6 months as we approach our 1-year anniversary by the end of March. And we know that there's going to be enormous progress and momentum and participation even beyond what we've done right now. We feel like we've laid a foundation over the last 6 months. We've proven to the world how real the Daisy model is. There's never been a more real, a more transparent, a more powerful crowdfunding model than what we've proven here at Daisy. But now that the foundation has been laid, we are taking this project to the next level, and we invite you to be a part of this project and really ride this wave with us as we make history together. The first project that we are currently crowdfunding is hosted by a company called Endotech. Endotech is one of the most powerful AI development companies in the fintech world that we have ever seen. They're the first technology partner for the Daisy crowdfunding campaign. They're a global fintech company that specializes in AI trading systems. They have a roadmap to complete the development of the Daisy AI system and be publicly traded in 2022. Endotech is currently providing AI trading systems for top financial institutions all around the world. They have a proven track record of very high performance results. Endotech is founded by Dr. Anna Becker, operated and managed by top AI scientists, and Endotech is positioned to become one of the largest SaaS companies in the AI fintech sector. A SaaS company stands for Software as a Service, and that represents the AI system and platform that Endotech has created, and the new generation of AI that is being developed and tested right now called Daisy, Decentralized AI System. And so we're so honored and excited to have the privilege as a community to be able to back and partner with such an amazing company and team and technology as Endotech. Now, guys, this is absolutely exciting because this literally was screenshotted yesterday. I went and looked again this morning, and we're still at the 102% mark with the Daisy Fund. And this is the results, the real-time results that Endotech's AI has produced for and inside of the Daisy crowdfunding development. And this is just incredible. As you can see here, a total of 84 million, almost 85 million has been contributed into this particular portion of the project, which is the live trading account with digital currency. You can see that there's currently 118 million that's in the live trade account. And you can see that including the profit rewards that have already been paid out to members, there's 59 million, almost 60 million in profits that have been generated in the last 9 months with this platform. And really in the last 6 months, because from January to March was our beta launch, and at the end of March of 2021 was our official launch. And you can see over 100% compounded P&L, profits and losses from this trading platform. And guys, I'm just telling you, this is the most real project that you'll ever see, because these are not just published results. These are results from the actual live trade accounts and live wallets on the blockchain. This is full transparency. You can see that there are months where the trading results go down. You can see that, right? We don't hide that. Anything that is real is going to have ups and going to have downs. And any project that tells you otherwise is simply trying to trick you into something that is not real. Our biggest commitment here in the Daisy and Endotech environment is 100% transparency. And certainly you can imagine, look, for example, in the month of April, where the results were down to below 10%. You can imagine some people going, oh my goodness, is this really going to work? But look at what happened in May, up over 60%. And you can imagine that in July, between July and August, when those results dropped down to 20%, people were wondering, is this real? Is this going to produce results? And then you can see how powerful the AI is to continue over time to produce these results. And now you can see in the month of October, over 100% returns produced by the AI. Now, again, guys, this is not a guarantee of future results. This is the real-time results right now today. But I'm telling you, the history and the track record of Endotech is so impressive. And where we are going with the power of this AI is only going to get better. And so we are so proud to have hit this 100% benchmark. And we truly are only just beginning. Now, every contributor to Daisy has access to their own back office management website, where you can actually go in and see real-time results. You can see, for those that are participating in the peer-to-peer model, you're referring other people to Daisy. You can come in here and see all of those details. You can see now that we're launching the new Forex platform that we'll talk about today. All of that is accessible directly through your phone or your computer. You have direct access at any time to all of that information. Now let's talk a little bit about the power of the Daisy model, because there's some things that we're doing here at Daisy that have never been done before, and it really is revolutionary. It really is disruptive, and you won't find anything in the world today that represents the power of this particular model. And this is part of the genius of Daisy, part of the power of Daisy. And we want to make sure that you really understand some of these core foundations for us. First of all, 100% transparency on all of the contributions through the Daisy smart contract on the Tron blockchain. Now, guys, if you've been in business at all, or you've been in the peer-to-peer world at all, you know that transparency is one of the missing ingredients in the world today. So many times we have to trust what's being told to us blindly in different projects. But with Daisy, you get to trust the blockchain. You get to see that every single contribution, every single dollar, every single performance, every single reward payout with 100% transparency. And what we love about the smart contract model is that no human ever touches that process. When you make a contribution to Daisy, that use of funds, that distribution of funds, all of it is done through the smart contract. There's no individual that chooses where those funds go, or that controls that contribution of digital currency. It literally is done instantly and transparently on the blockchain, and everyone in the world can see that always in real time. We also have 100% transparency on the AI performance, and to make sure that that is the case, we're very excited to announce that Ernst & Young's blockchain auditing division has completed their first review of the DAISY AI performance, the trading fund, and will be continuing to do a quarterly review. And this is really big news, guys, because to have one of the top 4 accounting firms in the world, and really the pioneers of blockchain auditing, right? Ernst & Young is really sees the vision in the future of digital currency and blockchain. And they're one of the few companies that says we are willing to include digital currency and blockchain projects that meet our criteria inside of our auditing division. And they have completed that review, and they will continue to review the DAISY AI trading fund on a quarterly basis. DAISY is a model where everyone wins with profits, equity, and income. I got to tell you how powerful this is, because here's a reality in the peer-to-peer world today. The reality is that in anything that you see in the marketplace right now, the promise of profits or equity or income is only being driven by new people who are joining. And when new people join, they take some of that money or all of that money, and then they disperse it amongst the community. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's called a pyramid scheme, and it's illegal. And quite frankly, we saw this trend happening in the market where people were losing. People were getting taken advantage of. There were casualties where people would they'd hear about some hype deal that's out there, all of this marketing hype and promises, and people that don't know any better would put money into those deals, only to find out that not everybody wins in those deals. In fact, most people lose and only a few people win. And one of the things we are so proud of with the DAISY model is that it is a model where everyone can win. Even if you never refer a single person, you win inside of this model, and you have the opportunity to benefit by being a part of the crowdfunding of Endotech and the AI development. And this is just absolutely exciting because from my perspective, from our knowledge, there's no other project out there that has a model where everybody wins. And of course, DAISY has an unlimited future to participate in breakthrough projects. This equity crowdfunding model has no limits. And as we right now are focused on phase 1, which is Endotech and the development of this DAISY AI platform, that's exciting. But beyond this first project, there's unlimited possibilities that we've already got lined up for the future of DAISY. There's no limit to how far and how long the DAISY model can go. The DAISY story really is powerful, with over 200 million in total contributions now from 150,000 plus members in well over 50 countries around the world, over 100 million in the live digital currency trading, and over 44 million in trading rewards that has been withdrawn by the community. Over 100 million has been paid out to members by the DAISY smart contract. Guys, it's so powerful. In 6 months, over 100 million in rewards has been paid out to the community by the smart contract in the peer-to-peer referral plan. And we've now reached 20%, around 20% of the 500 million target for the testing and development of the live trading technology. And we've done that in just 6 months. And so very, very powerful story behind DAISY. And what we're excited about today is actually the announcement of the next step of our roadmap. And as you can see here, the roadmap going all the way back to 2012 when Endotech was registered, 2018 when the commercial use, the institutional use of AI trading began with Endotech. You can see here that in 2020, the valuation of Endotech was at 100 million. Today, we're well over 1 billion in valuation, multiple billions now in valuation with Endotech. And then January of 2021 was the soft launch of the DaisySy Croud Fund model, with the official launch happening on March 29th of 2021. And 2021, we're crowdfunding 10 million in operational capital to Endotech for the development of Daisy. In 2021, we have a target of 500 million in assets under management. Of course, that's going to take us into 2022 as well. And we're well on the way to those targets. We also launched the Daisy Launchpad. We have some big announcements that we'll be making this week about the Launchpad, the Daisy token and the Daisy Launchpad. This is just another project, a decentralized crowdfunding platform that our members backed and funded, that's going to allow us to launch digital currency projects in the open marketplace, some big partnerships and announcements coming. And then one of our biggest benchmarks for 2021 was adding Forex AI trading to Daisy. And we've been talking, this roadmap has been shared with the world since January of this year. And we know that one of the big benefits of moving into this Forex space is it's going to raise the valuation of Endotech. It's going to allow the AI to be proven, not just in cryptocurrency, but in additional markets like the Forex market, which is one of the largest multi-trillion-dollar markets in the world. And we have a goal for another 1 billion, to go from 500 million to 1 billion in assets under management with this extension into the Forex space. And we'll be talking more about that today, because this is a brand new component to the Daisy project that just went live on October the 12th. And we've got a big promotion we're going to talk about here today. But it's incredible, because our goal was to achieve this by the end of 2021, by the end of the year. And we've done it now in the month of October. And so in the beginning of the fourth quarter, we've achieved this benchmark, and you get to be a part of this. And it is very, very exciting. Now, in 2022, the completion of the Daisy AI platform and the public launch of Endotech on the stock exchange is the target. And we are now approaching some incredible momentum towards that final goal. And so we're excited for you to participate with us. And we've got some exciting roadmap ahead of us, and some benchmarks that we want to clear together. The power of the Daisy crowdfunding model is that individuals can participate in Tier 1 for 100 USDT. And I hope everyone appreciates that this is very unique, that people from anywhere in the world for as little as 100 USDT can be a part of a mega project like this. Typically, this type of participation requires some serious contributions, right? And oftentimes the everyday person is not able to participate in this caliber of a project because the price point is simply too high. Now, it doesn't stop at 100 USDT. There's actually 10 tiers that you can participate in. Tier 1 is 100 USDT, but you can continue through Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4, all the way to Tier 10, and each tier doubles in the contribution amount. Now, 50% of every contribution, whether it's 100 USDT or 100,000 USDT, 50% of every contribution, you get stock equity in Endotech. So 50% of that contribution, which is also used in the peer-to-peer rewards plan and for the referral payouts in the smart contract, but 50% of that contribution represents and gives you stock equity in Endotech. So we could stop there and say, wow, that's powerful. You have the ability to actually own equity, stock equity in Endotech before they go public. But of course, it gets better from there. 50%, another 50% of tiers 1 through 7, and 70% of tiers 8, 9, and 10 are used as liquidity in the live trading accounts for the purpose of testing and developing. And so this is where it gets exciting, because 70% of all of the trading profits that are generated by the AI, and again, this is not a guarantee. It's not a guarantee that profits are generated, but as of today, 9 months into this AI development, and already we're over 102% return on the results. But it's never a guarantee, right? It's open market. We understand how that can work. But 70% of all of the trading profits are rewarded back to you, the contributor, and 15% goes to the Daisy peer-to-peer rewards plan, and the other 15% goes back to Endotech for continued development and expansion. So again, it's powerful. 50% of your contribution, you get stock equity in Endotech. 50 to 70% of your contribution is actually used in live trading, and 70% of those results from the AI go back to you as the member. Rewards can be claimed at any time. So you literally can claim those rewards at any time as the AI is producing results, or you can leave those rewards in the liquidity account, and it will compound into the future trades, which actually allows those profits to potentially increase even more as a result of compounding. Once Endotech completes the final development and brings its public listing on the stock exchange, the liquidity contributions and the stock equity will be available to each contributor. What does that mean? That means that the portion of your contribution that's used in live trading, you, at the end of the project development and the public listing, you can have that liquidity back, or you can leave it in the account to continue to be a part of the performance. It's entirely up to you. And of course, the stock equity will be available to each contributor as well. And remember, there is a KYC process in order to be able to claim and receive that stock equity at that time. Here's a visual of what that looks like. Again, 50% of every contribution of tiers 1 through 7 goes into equity, 50% goes into the live trading as liquidity. For tiers 8, 9, and 10, you still get rewarded with 50% equity, but actually only 30% goes towards the equity. So it's like getting a discount on the equity, and then 70% of that contribution goes into the live trading accounts. And you can see that if a person were to do tier 1 all the way to tier 10, it would be a total contribution of 102,300 USDT, with over 69,000 of that would be placed into the live trading, and 33,000 of that would be placed towards equity and also in the peer-to-peer rewards plan. And so here's a visual of that. You as the contributor, you contribute to the tiers. 50 to 70% immediately goes into live trading. The smart contract handles all of that through the blockchain. When there's profit rewards made through the AI, 70% of all the profits are available back to you to claim as rewards. And the other 50% goes towards stock equity. And the way the stock equity works is 5% of the entire supply of Endotech stock, when they go into their pre-IPO phase, will be shared amongst the contributors equally. And we also have some additional reward bonuses where you can earn further shares of stock as well. So just by contributing to Daisy, let's say you're not even interested in participating in the rewards plan. You don't want to refer or share Daisy with other people. You just want to be a contributor. You get equity in Endotech. You get the rewards from the AI algorithmic trading, and you even can earn potential spillover as the community grows in our peer-to-peer model. We have a model that creates spillover, and even as a contributor who never refers a single person, you still have the opportunity to earn from the growth of the community as well. Now, quite frankly, we have the most powerful peer-to-peer referral rewards plan that we've ever seen in the industry. We've broken so many records with around 100 plus people that have already made over $100,000 to $300,000, with many people that have earned between $300,000 to $1 million in the rewards plan. And we have now about 10 individuals already in 6 months that have earned over $1 million in the rewards plan. But even if you took the entire rewards plan away and you said, I'm not interested in referring people to Daisy, I just want to contribute, you absolutely win with equity, with profit rewards from the trading of the AI, and the growth and spillover from the community. Now, Dr. Anna Becker is the CEO and the founder of Endotech. And guys, we're going to play a short video of Dr. Anna today speaking to the leaders in Dubai. And we want you to really hear, because she's going to also introduce some good information about the Forex side of what we are now launching. And we're going to talk about that here today as well. But Dr. Anna just has an incredible background for decades now in the AI space. Her credibility, her reputation, her achievements in business, and her achievements in science are just unparalleled in the fintech world. And she truly is pioneering the role of artificial intelligence in the financial sectors all over the world. And so absolutely a powerful leader, a powerful thought leader, a powerful thinker, a powerful innovator, and she is pushing the limits of what is possible through technology, specifically artificial intelligence. And we're so proud to be partnered with her and working with Endotech to be backing this development project through the Daisy community. And we want you to hear for yourself from Dr. Anna Becker. So we're going to play this video. This was live from Dubai, where Dr. Anna was discussing some very powerful topics, and we're going to play a short clip for you here today.
So I found a partner in Singapore. It's easy, from Israel to Singapore in just 14 hours. So I found a partner in Singapore, and I started to work with him. And his idea was to build a Forex system that makes money. So the good part was that he had lots of money from his clients. And the good part for me that I had complete freedom. So we built a system. And the way I built it, because I saw so many systems in my previous company, I saw literally thousands of systems in my previous company, I knew what should work. And I remember this guy, Mr. Bollinger, when I was in strategy runner and I was at one of the conferences, he actually came to me. And I was sure that he's dead, because it's like such a name, Bollinger. If you are in the modeling of indicators, you think it's like something that is the name of, the folk song. It doesn't exist. And yeah, exactly. This is a standard deviation. And then he comes to me and it's written here, Bollinger. And he starts to talk to me, Anna, you are the first company that made it automated. And I'm like, I'm telling to everybody that I met Mr. Bollinger. It was no Instagram, right? But I was like, yes. So we built this first system and we started to make money, 26% monthly, every month, on tens of millions of dollars. It was amazing. And then I remember one day, 6th of 2013, where it stopped producing the profits. So my plan was to improve the system and to move forward, right? But my partner, he felt very anxious about it because he needed to perform and produce. So he said this way, your system is not working. Let's go and get some other systems. So I went and I looked at all the systems in the world to find what systems are working. And I found this website, probably you know this, right? MyFX book. And I clicked on the first system. All of them look much better than mine, for sure. I clicked on the first one and I saw this. So I said, Mr. Partner, please buy me the system. I want to see what's inside. Do you know how much it costs to buy the system? Nothing, $5,000. I said, no way. Nobody will sell your system for the source code. I will never sell the source code of Strategy Radar or Endotap, or it's my property. $5,000. When I saw what's inside, I understood why. So what's inside the source code? Yes. And we bought every source code available on the market. So do you look at this? Is it nice? It's perfect. It looks like what you dream about. This is the probability. This is a stability that we're looking for, right? This is 5 years, 9 years of track record. This is a stability. This is percentages that we dream about, right? Like it looks so perfect. I need to be in it. The only thing I'm asking myself, why there is so little number of people are in it, right? So what is the answer? And I really want to share with you the answer because it will help you to understand why the high opportunity modeling is so important. Why this triangular that I'm giving to you is such an important tool for you to check everything. So I'll tell you how this system works, what's inside of it. Again, I really apologize if here there is a developer of the system or the system works a little bit different because I was checking the systems in 2012. So maybe the world changed a little bit, right? But this is how it works. And that's why when Edward said that I know systems is because I've seen thousands and thousands of different systems. So I understand what's happening inside. So the way that it worked, I'll show you on the chart. What they do is they see the trend, sometimes randomly, sometimes with a trend, they make a buy signal, they buy, right? But for how long they keep it? They keep it for very, very, very short time. So what is the probability for the single event? Almost 100. That's why they have almost 100% right? They get 100% times the small win, right? And it looks perfect. You don't need to be modeling, don't need to know how to model. You just can do it yourself. Just randomly get in, wait for a few seconds, get out. You will get your 0.5%. Guess what? They do it again, and again, and again, and again. What happens next? Why? Because they got in, they waited, and then it didn't work for them. So what do? They reverse, but heavier. This is the main idea that they have. They are not trying to make money for you. Try to understand this. They are scamming you. They are knowledgeably scamming you for results. When they reverse, they increase martingale, they increase number of lots they're trading, but for how many lots? For the same size that the green line is bigger than the small line, right? 10 times. So you put $1,000. In order for them to come back to the results, you will see, look at this chart. Here is how you can spot the system, the scam. You know what is this green one means? Is how much money you put into each trade. So do you see visually how much bigger is this one than this one? 10 times, right? Not twice, not 3, 10 times. You know what happened here? This time they were lucky and they got back. This time they lost. This time they were lucky. That time they lost. You know what happens? 100% of the system eventually will lose all the money for you. 100%. That's why nobody's in there. because 99% of other systems already lost their money. You lose 100% of your money eventually every time. Now, this is the fun part about this system, and I actually loved it because this one works from 12. And you know why? Because it's extra scummy thought behind the system. They don't trade every day. They trade once per month, or they trade once per week. Why? To keep this illusion going. If you look at their numbers, and again, I'm sorry about if this guy has pure thoughts and it's just his misconception, but he has, if you look it down, you will see that in 10 years, he made 500 trades. It means that he's really spreading his story in order to keep it alive for so long. So this should teach you that even if it looks good, right? If you look at different tones below in the numbers, you will see that this is a scam, but it looks so nice.
So, guys, without going into tons of detail, because we could talk for days about Dr. Anna Becker's background and her team's background in the Forex space, but this is actually their expertise. Prior to the digital currency market opening to the world, this is their background. And Dr. Anna actually sold a previous company many years ago that was a Forex AI company. And now, thanks to Daisy, we are bringing a new generation of AI trading in the Forex space. And you get to be the very first people in the world, and this is exclusive for the Daisy community until after the company goes public and we open this to institutions, you get to participate in the Daisy Forex AI development. And one of the things that's really exciting about this is the active trading. Where in the digital currency world, the trading is breakout trading, right? So you have breakouts up or breakouts down, and those breakouts can happen, over time, right? It's not active trading every single day. But with Forex, the market is able to be actively traded many times per day. And this is one of the very powerful things about the Forex side of the AI. And for you as contributors, as the AI is performing and producing results, the results are in real time. They're much faster. You're able to experience daily and weekly results with the Forex AI. And so we have launched a promotion in the month of October for Daisy members. And this is a one-time promotion, and I promise you, you want to take advantage of this promotion. So many benefits we're going to talk about, but every single Daisy member should participate in this promotion because it unlocks some incredible benefits. And most importantly, it allows you to participate and be a contributor to the Forex side of the AI platform, a multi-trillion dollar environment with Forex. And you can actually participate in this promo when you purchase tiers 1 through 5. You actually get credit for all 10 tiers. Now, of course, you don't get free money placed in trading, but we unlock your position and position you into all 10 tiers. And this is powerful because it means that you can now receive spillover from all 10 tiers, and you can now earn rewards from all 10 tiers in the rewards plan. And so very powerful promotion that runs from October 12th to November 1st at 2 p.m. UTC time. So basically, you have the month of October to not only take advantage of this promotion pack, but to invite others and share with others to take advantage of this promotion as well. When you purchase or contribute to tiers 1 through 4, it will automatically unlock the next matrix for life. So for example, if you bought tier 1, you would automatically unlock tier 2. If you bought tier 4, you would automatically unlock tier 5. But when you purchase and contribute to tiers 1 through 5, which is a total of 3,100 USDT, you unlock tier 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You unlock placement in those matrices for life. That means you can now receive spillover from all of the tiers. And here's the best part. It's not just the Forex, but it's also the cryptocurrency side of the platform as well. And so you will be placed into tiers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 into those matrix. You can receive spillover from all 10 tiers of crypto and all 10 tiers of Forex, which is just an opportunity for bonus income to come in. And you can now refer other people and earn in the rewards plan from all 10 tiers. Guys, this normally is a $102,300 total contribution. And during the promotion in October, simply by contributing to tiers 1 through 5 in Forex, you get this reward for your entire life with Daisy. The rewards plan for all of the promo packs for the Matrix and the Matrix check match will pay out on November 1st. The reason we're doing that is so everyone has an equal opportunity. Let's say that someone in your team contributes to these tiers before you do. Well, we don't want you to miss out on the ability to earn from that. You have the entire month of October to secure this promotion. And as long as you secure this promotion in the month of October, you will be qualified to earn on every single promo pack that's purchased from anyone in your organization, in your genealogy. The Forex trading will begin in November. So in November, the Forex trading will go live and you'll start to see those real-time results. You must have at least tier 1 in Daisy in order to participate in this promotion. So if somebody is brand new joining for the first time, you'll contribute to at least tier 1 in the digital currency contribution. Once you do that, you join Daisy, you register for Daisy, and then you can participate in this promotion. Now, this is very important because placement in the tiers is based on timestamp. And so the sooner you take advantage of this promotion, the sooner you get placed into those additional tiers. And that means that you secure a higher position inside of the community. So timing is important. The sooner you upgrade, the better it is for you. But the rewards for the promo pack, when people buy this promo pack and you want to get paid, are based on your tier 1 genealogy. What does that mean? That means that right now, your entire tier 1 genealogy right now is the genealogy that will be used for the matrix payout and the matrix check match. So even if you upgrade to the Forex promo pack at the end of the promotion, you will still earn on all of your team members who have purchased the promo pack starting on October the 12th. You won't miss out on any of that money. So there is an advantage to doing the promo pack today instead of the end of the month. But whether you do it today or you do it in the month of October, at the end, you still earn on all of the promo packs that have been purchased within your peer-to-peer network. So guys, this is massive. I hope everyone understands the power of number one, the ability to diversify and to have contribution into the Forex AI platform, to be able to earn from that, to be able to see that active trading, daily and weekly results, shorter term results, higher frequency trading compared to the digital currency. This is powerful. And of course, the ability to participate in the highest levels of the entire Daisy rewards plan. You will now be a tier 10 member for life when it comes to the rewards plan. And this is just a huge promotion that we hope every single member will take advantage of. And we hope that the word will get out, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If anyone has ever wanted to participate in Daisy, this is the time to do it. This month, this promotion is the absolute best promotion that we've ever put on the table in the Daisy community. And this is an opportunity of a lifetime that every single member should take full advantage of. You can simply go to your back office. You can see here that there are now two categories. There's the crypto category and the Forex category. When you click on the Forex category, for example, for Tier 1, you will have the opportunity to then contribute to Tier 1 and so on. You just go through the different tiers and then you will confirm that transaction. After you do Tier 5, you'll confirm that transaction for your placement into Tiers 6 through 10. Any member, now we have a huge pace setter reset promotion going as well. And so if you're not familiar with the Daisy rewards plan, we invite you to watch the 18-minute rewards plan video. Simply request that from the person who invited you here today, and you can see the full rewards plan presentation. But we have a part of our plan called the pace setter. And when you qualify as pace setter, you earn in all of the contributions around the world from every single member in Daisy, you earn in that bonus pool. You also earn in all of the trading rewards around the world, whether they're in your team or not in your team, whether they're in your network or not in your network. If they're a part of Daisy, you get paid. And this is so powerful. It's been an incredible bonus for those that have qualified. About 500 members have now qualified as pace setter. But in order to qualify pace setter, you have to achieve certain goals in your first 30 days. And so this is a pace setter reset, which says even if you're past your 30 days, if you missed your 30 days to qualify for pace setter, you now have the opportunity to qualify for pace setter in the month of October. How do you qualify for pace setter? Well, you need to have 24 personal referrals, and that could be existing or new referrals, with a total of 128,000 in new contributions from September 25th to October 31st. But a lot of people have said, you know, I've been sharing Daisy, I have contributions already. Is there any way that I can count my previous contributions over the last 6 months towards the goal of 128,000? Well, normally the answer to that is no. Normally you have to achieve this goal in your first 30 days. And there is no opportunity to count your previous contributions or go past those 30 days. But with this promotion, when you have 24 personal referrals, this could be people that joined in January or joined in March, pre-existing, or new members that joined today. If you have 24 personal referrals, existing or new, who contribute to this Forex promotion, tiers 1 through 5, then you unlock all previous contributions to count towards the 128,000. This is absolutely incredible. For those of you that have been with us in Daisy, you've been a part of Daisy, but you weren't able to achieve pace setter yet, this is your chance. Help 24 people that you personally refer simply participate in the Forex promo package, and all of your pre-existing contributions, your pre-existing referrals will count towards the goal of 128,000. And so this is an exciting opportunity for those of you that want to take advantage of the global bonus pool, and you want to earn from every contribution and every reward in Daisy. Qualify for pace setter, take advantage of this promotion. We also announced in Dubai our new relationship with CoinZoom. There's now a Daisy CoinZoom platform. If you go into your back office, there's a link there that you can click on to set up your CoinZoom account. And this is a single platform that you can now use for all of your cryptocurrency needs. And here's what's really exciting is we have a spillover maker bonus pool, and 10% of all of the platform fees that are generated, CoinZoom is going to place them into the smart contract for this monthly bonus pool. So as members are purchasing USDT from their bank account, purchasing Tron, maybe they're using their CoinZoom debit card, or they're using the Visa Instant program where you can use any Visa card in the world to spend your digital currency. Maybe they're exchanging tokens or whatever it might be. Any activity done on CoinZoom from the Daisy community, 10% of that, all of the fees will go into this bonus pool, and anyone can qualify for the bonus pool. When you refer 4 people to Daisy in any calendar month with a total of 1,000 USDT in contributions from those referrals, then you will earn a share in the next month's bonus pool. So if in October you refer 4 people who have a total of 1,000 USDT in contributions, you earn a share in November's bonus pool. You can earn an unlimited number of shares, and you can qualify every single month. And the CoinZoom platform really does do it all. It's available in over 150 countries. It's a perfect platform to onboard new Daisy members. So if someone says, hey, how do I get USDT on the Tron blockchain? How do I get Tron tokens? You can use the CoinZoom platform where literally you can transfer money from your bank account and instantly have access to digital currency. It's perfect for using and holding your Daisy rewards. So as you're earning in Daisy, you can hold those rewards in your CoinZoom wallet and actually earn interest. You can buy Tron and Tron USDT. You can link any Visa debit card to send and to spend your digital currency. You get up to 5% cash back every time you swipe or every time you withdraw to your Visa card. You earn up to 5% cash back. You can earn up to 10% a year in interest just for holding your digital currency, your Bitcoin, your USDT, your Ethereum, just for holding your digital currency in your CoinZoom wallet. You can earn up to 10% annual return. You can instantly transfer funds to any other CoinZoom member with no fees. You can convert your crypto into fiat and send it directly to your bank account or your debit card. You get $10 in Zoom token when you have your first $100 worth of transactions on CoinZoom. So if you simply deposit some funds or send over cryptocurrency or whatever it is, you get $10 in free Zoom tokens. The platform supports all major digital currencies. And we want to encourage everyone in the community to make sure you purchase the Zoom token as well. When you go to the platform, you can purchase the Zoom token. You get additional rewards. When you stake the Zoom token, you earn a higher cashback, higher annual return, annual interest on your holdings. And the Zoom token is something that we believe is going to continue to grow. It's a very powerful platform, and we're excited to get behind the CoinZoom platform. So just go to your back office, click on Daisy CoinZoom, and you can set up your CoinZoom account. We also have the Daisy app. This is an app that's designed to help a new person get started. It's also an app that allows you to share Daisy with other people. We've got the 3-minute video, the 10-minute video, the rewards plan video. We've got social media surveys and a lot of great stuff inside of this app, and it tracks everything. Every time you send out a video to someone and they watch the video, you get notified. They can continue to get more information directly from the app. There's a free version of the app, so we recommend everyone download the Daisy app. It's D.ai.sy. You can go to the daisyapp.com to register. And the free app has the full getting started steps. So if someone says, hey, how do I download the Tronlink wallet? How do I get my USDT? How do I sign up for Daisy? It takes them through the step-by-step process to get started in Daisy. And that's free for everyone. That version of the app is free for everyone. For those that want to participate and utilize the marketing system inside of the app, it's a paid version of the app that has everything you need to share with other people and to track and share Daisy with the world. And that's the full version of the app. The full version of the app is now available for $12.95 a month. And of course, you also can get a discount. You get 2 free months if you pay in advance. $3 from every app purchase, every app monthly subscription goes into the spillover maker bonus pool as well. And so, of course, Daisy, as a DAO, doesn't make anything itself, but the community gets the $3 per app into the bonus pool. The other $10 goes to the app company for maintaining and continuing to develop and expand the marketing system. So powerful app that's available to all members. And the last thing we want to close with is this. We want to invite every single one of you, every single member of Daisy from around the world to join us for our very first international conference on March 28th and 29th. This is our 1-year anniversary. Other than the leadership event that we have for pace setters, this will be our very first global event, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. It will be at this arena, the Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai, and you want to plan now to be at this event. We're going to make history at this event. We've got some huge announcements at this event, some surprise guest speakers at this event, and I promise you this event is going to be something you do not want to miss. It will be absolutely life-changing. So plan on joining us March 28th and March 29th in Dubai for our first ever international conference. So guys, thank you for tuning in today to this webinar. Let's really take advantage of this Forex promotion that is live right now for everyone around the world. This is the biggest promotion we have ever had in Daisy, and it's something that we hope every single member will participate in. And let's take this project to the next level. We're excited, we're thankful. We have massive momentum right now, and there has never been a better time for you to get involved with Daisy. If you're already a Daisy member, this is your moment. Take advantage of the Forex promotion pack. It's going to be absolutely put you in the best position possible to have all of the maximum benefits from the Daisy business model, from the Daisy digital currency, and from the Daisy AI Forex, all of it wrapped in together. So thanks for joining us here today. We look forward to working with you, and we look forward to helping you and the rest of the world benefit from the incredible Daisy crowdfunding platform.